Hello lovely people, welcome to Taste in a Platter. If this is the first time you're watching my videos or being on Taste in a Platter, I want to give you a big thanks and remind you to subscribe to the channel for more videos. In my last video, I shared with you how to pick the right pumpkin for carving or as a decor or to do your baking or cooking. If you missed watching that video, I'll leave the link in description box below. So for this year, I bought this not so tiny but beautiful sugar pumpkin or pie pumpkin. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make the perfect roasted pumpkin seeds. So for that, the first thing to focus is to clean the pumpkin thoroughly, and you can rinse it off with the water and then use a paper towel to wipe off the water. Use a sharp knife to cut the pumpkin in halves. Make sure you do this on a flat surface or use a cutting board. There is a bigger chance because of the size and the shape of the pumpkin and the texture of the skin, it may slip off your hand. So just be very careful. It is that time of the year when everybody is having pumpkins at home for cooking or baking or making jack-o'-lanterns and throwing away the seeds. So once you know the health benefits of pumpkin seeds, then you will never throw away the pumpkin seeds. If you are having a lot of pumpkins for decoration and before you throw them away after the season, you can actually cut them and take the pumpkin seeds and roast them for future use. Once you cut the pumpkin, you will notice a membrane, orange membrane that is holding the seed together, or in other words, the seeds are hiding in between these membrane. So to pick each seed individually is going to be a time-consuming and a messy job. So the easiest thing to do here is to use a spoon and scoop out the membrane and the seeds together into a clean plate. And if you're wondering what I'm going to do with the actual pumpkin or the flesh, please wait for my next video and make sure you hit that bell icon so you will get the notification when I update my videos. Now we have separated the seeds from the pumpkin, but it looks a lot messy at this point with a lot of membranes, and if you touch it, it is a lot slimy. So to clean it further, we are going to take it into a fine strainer and place it under cold running tap water. So what this will do is it will bring all those membranes together, so it is easier for us to separate the seeds and just to discard the membranes. Now while we wash these, let's talk about the health benefits of pumpkin seeds. Like I mentioned in previous video, pumpkin is a superfood and it contains a lot of nutrients. So pumpkin seed itself has a lot of nutrients, including a high amount of magnesium and zinc, which improves your immune system. And because it is a high in antioxidants, it is linked to reduced risk of certain cancers. Now, this may sound funny, but pumpkin seeds can make you happy. How? Because it contains tryptophan, which is a substance that is required to produce serotonin in our body, which elevates our mood. So eat pumpkin seeds and be happy. And another thing is, it also contains melatonin, which actually regulates our sleep cycle. We have our seeds clean. Now we are going to air dry them. To do that, you can use a towel or you can use a paper towel, and all you have to do is just to spread it, and if you notice any of those membranes still sticking to the seeds, just pick them with your hand and discard them. We want to make sure the pumpkin seeds are completely dry before we put them in the oven for roasting. If there is any water content, it is going to steam instead of roasting, so give enough time. Once it is completely dry, we are going to transfer the seeds to a baking tray and we can season it with our seasoning mix. Here I am using some olive oil, salt and pepper, just keeping it simple, and the kids will enjoy it too. But if you prefer to add any herbs of your choice or any seasonings like paprika or garlic powder, you can use them. And bake it for 20 minutes at 170 degree Fahrenheit. A handful of pumpkin seeds are healthy for you, but it contains a lot of fiber and hence it helps you with the constipation in the long run. But if you overconsume it, because it has a lot of fiber and it takes a time to digest, it can actually cause bloating and constipation. The phytosterols present in pumpkin seeds actually helps in preventing the conversion of dihydrotestosterone to testosterone, which actually is good for people suffering from BPH or benign prostatic hyperplasia. Also, the high zinc content in pumpkin seeds helps people with the enlarged prostate. Pumpkin seeds also contain a lot of omega-3 fatty acids for heart health, and also it reduces blood sugar level. I hope you enjoyed this video, so stay safe, stay tuned, and don't forget to subscribe.